Hello viewers, you don't need an expensive laptop to be able to run the Tails operating system. Besides, you'll be running it using a USB stick or a DVD drive. Being a Linux-based operating system, any Linux-compatible laptop can run the OS without any errors. But the difficult question is, which one should you purchase for the best experience? Since you're already here, you surely know the power of the privacy-focused Tails OS and have decided that you need a laptop that can run Tails without any issues. But if you're still confused if you should be using Tails for your privacy needs, then our information shall help. Check out our list of the best laptops for Tails in 2022 and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. HP Stream 14-inch Laptop. While it's marketed as a Windows 10's machine, you can rest assured that the HP Stream 14 is much better suited to a low-power OS like Tails than Windows. It's also thin and light, making it great as a budget, portable option for privacy-focused individuals. The Intel Celeron N4000 was first released in 2017. It's an aging, nearly obsolete 6W CPU with 2 cores, 2 threads, a 1.1 GHz base clock, and UHD 600 graphics. Given that Tails can run on 10-year-old hardware, the N4000 is a good entry-level option. 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of super slow eMMC storage would normally be laughably bad for storing or working with large datasets, studying, or even entertainment. Such limited storage wouldn't even allow for Windows 10 updates without having to wipe the disk every time. That being said, Tails cares not for internal storage and only needs 4 GB RAM to run. Thus, this config works for Tails. HP sells the device with Windows 10 Home in S mode. A 14-inch display with an HD resolution is not bad. HD is enough resolution for that screen size, and the lower resolution will translate to battery savings. Of course, one can't expect color accuracy in a low-budget device. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. ASUS VivoBook 15 Thin. A more understated Ultrabook-type device for styles can be had in the form of the ASUS VivoBook 15. Sure, internal storage options aren't great, and the specs are pretty tame, but if you're primarily looking to run Tails, this won't be a problem. The dual-core i3 1005G1 and its UHD graphics aren't very fast, but since you'll only be running a lightweight Linux distro, you'll be fine. The device can run Windows and 10 and Chrome as well, just don't expect great performance when doing so. Perhaps acknowledging the low-power nature of the device and the limited 128 GB of SSD storage, ASUS has bundled this model of the VivoBook 15 with the more limited Windows 10s. Thankfully, you can unlock full functionality in a few clicks. When running Tails, that 128 GB SSD won't be touched, and the included 8 GB of RAM is sufficient. As with most $500 laptops, the VivoBook 15's 15.6-inch FHD display isn't very color accurate or bright. It's good enough for Tails and Windows 10, however, and one can't expect a display with better screen resolution, color accuracy, contrast ratio, and refresh rates in this budget range. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Acer Aspire 5A515. With the Acer Aspire 5, you're getting a cheap, functional laptop for under $600 that you can use as a Windows-powered daily driver or as a Tails laptop. Plus, it comes with a fingerprint reader for added security. What else do you want from a sub-$600 machine? The Intel Core i5-1035G1 variant is a good choice for a laptop you'll use for Tails. It's a low-power CPU that can clock as low as 1 GHz, and it's paired with Intel UHD graphics, which are fully Linux compatible. Together, they promise a device with great battery life. Acer ships the Aspire 5 with Windows 10 Home, a great choice for a work/study machine. Included are 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage, both of which are great for a daily driver. Since you'll be booting Tails from a USB drive, the amount of storage isn't a concern. However, most of the tasks will be handled on your primary storage, i.e. the RAM, so make sure that 8 GB RAM is enough for your needs. The 15.6-inch FHD display is an IPS panel with decent color accuracy and good viewing angles. The color gamut could have been better, but it's not such a big deal since you won't exactly be storing and editing photos on this machine. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Apple MacBook Pro. Powerful and portable, the Aspire 5 laptop delivers on every aspect of everyday computing. Features the new 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor, offering more possibilities than ever before via performance, connectivity, and entertainment. With Windows 10 in S mode, you'll experience fast startups, a familiar yet expanded start menu, and great new ways to get stuff done. And with automatic updates enabled, you get all the latest features and security hassle-free. Work, play, and share all in one device. Acer Purified Voice with 2 built-in microphones ensures all communications are clear and filters out typing noise, while the HD webcam ensures crisp images with rich color and detail. See more on the stunning 15.6 FHD display thanks to the narrow bezel design. To further enhance visual appearance and protect your eyes, it includes Acer Color Intelligence and Acer Blue Light Shield technologies. Travel with ease and look great doing it with the Aspire 5 thin, light design and aluminum top cover. Turn up the music with Acer True Harmony, bringing you deeper bass and more volume through its innovative speaker design. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Dell Inspiron 3000. For someone concerned about privacy, Apple's macOS is a great, consumer-friendly starting point, and the MacBook Pro is a great laptop. Getting any kind of USB-based Linux OS to run on MacBook is a little complex, but if you care about privacy, it could be worth it. The Pro is powered by an i5-1038NG7 processor. It's a 2 GHz chip with integrated Intel Iris plus 645 GPU that you will not find on any Windows laptop. You're looking at a fairly powerful machine for its form factor. The 16 GB RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage are just enough for macOS and a handful of apps, but good enough for Tails. Getting Tails to boot on Apple MacBooks requires jumping through a few hoops, however, which can be intimidating to the average user. You'll find detailed instructions on the Tails website, though. Apple's stellar Retina displays need no introduction. They're among the brightest, most color-accurate displays you can get on a laptop, so if you're also into graphic designing, photo editing, video editing, the 13.3-inch display with Retina technology can come in handy. The gamut, 100% sRGB, and brightness, 400 nits, fall a bit short of the Pro's 150% sRGB and 500 nits, but these are still great specs for any display. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.